Darlene here. What I'm going to show you today is my one seed challenge. Scott Head from Black Gumbo has issued a challenge for people to start one seed and to follow it all year. So I did a lot of thought onto what seed I should grow, and I picked an unusual one, to say the least. You would think that I would pick something that would give me a lot of something to eat, but no. I've decided one seed, one item. I'm going to attempt to grow a carrot seed. Yes, I said carrot seed. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. That is what I said. Okay, so let me show you what I'm going to do. All right, first of all, I have this tall pot. Plenty long enough for a carrot to grow in it. It needs more dirt. It's got some in there, and the dirt that's in there was all filled up with dirt, and I poured that out. Whoop, made a noise there. I poured that out and just put it in another pot and put some of that on the bottom, and then I want to put the rest of it with nice fresh soil. So I keep my soil in this plastic container, mainly so that my kitty cat doesn't think that it's a potty box. Hey, I'm going to put myself down here. Let's see if I can situate my camera so that you can see what I'm going to do. All right. I certainly have a hairdo today, don't I? I'm sitting down here on the floor. At my age, getting down isn't so hard. It's getting back up that's hard. So I'm going to bring the pot down here, and then we will proceed to fill it up. Okay. Oh, and I see I have a helper. No, kitty, this is not for you. And I know you can't totally see what I'm doing here, but I have the pot pretty well filled up. I'm going to put a little bit more in there. There we go. I have several packets of carrot seeds. I decided on this one. It is Tender Sweet Carrot, and it is from Mountain Valley Seed Company. So let me water this dirt a little bit first. Well, I'll have to use this spray bottle here because my other one is... This is going to need more water in it, I know. Okay, and I need 1 seed. Yes, I know that when you plant things, you usually plant more than 1. But I'm going to do 1 seed. Okay, these seeds are bitsy. Okay, so I'm just going to cover this up. Oh, my camera wasn't watching what I was doing. Okay, so I put 1 seed in there, and it's just under the surface. And you see I have a helper. Okay, there's my 1 seed of tender sweet heirloom carrots. We shall see how this does. That, my dears, is my 1 seed challenge. Yes, covering my soil back up so that Sweetie Pie doesn't get into it. She loves to see what I'm up to. 5 foot, somewhere between 5'5" and 5'6". That's what I'm up to. Okay, with a little bit of huffing and puffing, I got myself back up off of the floor into a standing position. What I'm going to do next is look through my area here to see if I have some kind of plastic that I can use as a cover that I haven't used already. My plants are looking a little bit worse for wear today. Finally gave them a good drink of water, but this one I think needs more. Oh, here, this will work. This will work. I do need to clean it out a bit to use it as a humidity dome. So I'll go clean that out, get it put on there. You can see it's going to be just the right size. I'll turn it upside down. And okay, going to give this some more water. And then put my humidity dome on top. Oh, it doesn't fit quite as perfectly as I had hoped, but it should work. And then I'm going to put it over there on the shelf. Okay. There it is. I'm going to put this in its own playlist, and then I will make updates showing you how it's doing. If it does something, I may have to start over. I may even have to choose a different kind of seed. But we'll see how this goes. Until next time, may the good Lord richly bless you. Darlene from Darlene's Garden, out.